What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, sorry it's been a while since I had a cooking video up. It's just I have been really busy, especially if you saw the Christmas special I posted on December 1st. You'll notice it's almost 36 minutes in length, which I started working on it the day after Halloween, and it took me a few days before Thanksgiving to get it finished. But yeah, hence the reason why I wasn't being able to do a cooking video for the month of November, but I'm going to change that. And hopefully in a later month or so I might post a second cooking video to make up for it. Anyway, today's cooking video I'm going to show you how to make peppermint bark. So, let's go over the ingredients. So to make peppermint bark, you're going to need two different types of chocolate chips. Preferably one dark chocolate and one white chocolate. You'll also need some peppermint oil, and you'll need some candy canes and other forms of candy of your choice. In fact, let me give you some advice about making the bark. If you want to, in place of peppermint oil, is to get some peppermint flavored chocolate chips. And in addition, if you're making this stuff for people who have health conditions that render them unable to consume sugar, like diabetes or something, use sugar-free chocolate chips. So let's get started. So what you're going to do next is first things first, you need to open your containers of chocolate chips, and you're going to pour half a cup of each into separate bowls. So that's half a cup of the white chocolates. Then you're going to pour half a cup of the dark chocolates. Next, you're going to melt them in the microwave. And you're really going to want to pay attention because once the chocolate chips are thoroughly melted and there's no chunks left, they're done. So as your chocolate chips are melting, make sure to stir them together and make sure there are no chunks left. So next, you're going to you need a cookie sheet, and then you're going to put some wax paper on a cookie sheet. And the size of the sheet you use will depend on how much bark you're going to make. Alright, so I added a couple squirts of peppermint oil, and I added some chocolate, and this is how it turned out when I combined the white chips and the dark chips. It's mostly dark, but anyway, I'm going to put this in the fridge for at least 10 minutes or until it's been adequately hardened. Alright, 10 minutes are up. I'm going to take this out of the fridge, and let's see how firm it is. It's pretty fairly firm. I'm going to transfer it to a plate and sample it. Alright, so this is how your final product should look like. So I'm going to give it a little taste test if I can get it off there. Tastes good, but should have left it in the fridge for more than 10 minutes, but it still tastes pretty good though. So yeah. So thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.